How to make money with Hailuo AI. You can use Hailuo AI tool to provide AI video editing service. So first of all, let's open any web browser and search for Hailuo AI website. Once you get the search result, open the first link to go to the official website. Once you are on the website homepage, you will find the already created high quality videos playlist. Now to start the process, you need to create an account. So first click on sign in from the top right side. A pop-up will appear on the screen where you can find options to create an account. I will go with Google account and allow the permissions to create an account. You can create such videos to earn money. For example, this is a promo video created using this account. For example, this is a promo video created using this tool. You can recreate it by adding a prompt according to your requirements and the scenes will automatically change. But if you want to create from scratch, from the top menu, click on Quick Create and a sign menu will appear on the screen where you can upload an image or video from your device, insert camera movements according to your needs, and select the latest model to generate high quality images and videos. Now from the left side, you can open the Explore page. Once it opens, you can find three different tabs: image to video, text to video, and subject reference. You can explore all these tools one by one and see the magic happen. And that's it. This is how you can use and make money using Hailuo AI. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.